Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Google Drive and you click in this page. After that, in this list of app info we click on First Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.